It will ask you to provide the access. Just click on yes. So your Node.js is installed. Just finish it. Now to install Newman, go to your CMD and then type npm space install space -g space Newman and click enter. So it will install the npm in your machine. So now in my machine, since uh, Newman is installed 9.6.7, and now I'm trying to install that 9.8.1. So it is asking me to run this command to update. So that is done. My npm is installed. Now I will install the HTML report where जो भी हमें अपना कलेक्शन रन करेंगे तो उसका HTML रिपोर्ट जनरेट करने के लिए हमें HTML भी इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा through the Newman. So for that, this is the command npm space I dash g Newman dash reporter dash HTML and then press enter. So this is also installed. Oh, sorry, this is not installed. Just seconds. Now this is still getting installed. Now this is also get installed. So this is how we install the npm and HTML to generate the report.